Something unusual is happening in the Gulf, and it is definitely raising serious questions. Moments have begun, quietly, quickly, without too many announcements, but the signs, they are there. Reports now suggest that about 1,500 US troops are being moved out of the region. Not a routine rotation, though, not a normal deployment. This feels different. Well, let's go to Bahrain, a very small island but a massive military hub, home to the US Navy's 5th Fleet, one of the most important American bases in the Middle East. It is all of a sudden in chaos. People are leaving. Sailors, their families, their personals packed in a hurry. Can you imagine this moment? You're living on a base and suddenly you have been told to leave. No time to plan, no time to pack properly. Just essentials and go. Well, that's what some accounts are describing. Quick exit, minimal belongings, urgency in the air. But the question is why now? Because the pressure is building. Iran has been launching missiles and drones, repeated strikes, rising intensity. And some reports suggest that damage has already been seen, with satellite images pointing to impact zones, showing that this is not just tension but real hits. Now, pause here because here is where it gets more and more complicated. On one side, Washington is projecting strength publicly, showing readiness, showing control. But behind the scenes, the moments suggest something else, a possible recalibration, a rethink, a shift in posture because intelligence assessments they are sending a clear message. Iran still has the capability to strike, and not just once but repeatedly, and that changes everything. So, what we are seeing right now, a withdrawal or a repositioning, is this about reducing risk or preparing for a different kind of response? Because in military strategy, pulling back does not always mean stepping down. Sometimes it means setting the stage for something big, and that's why this moment it really matters. Well, the entire Gulf region is already tensed, shipping routes under pressure, bases on alert, allies watching closely. Now add troop movements into that particular equation. It creates uncertainty, and in conflict, uncertainty is definitely dangerous. So the big question now is the US trying to avoid escalation or is it preparing for something much bigger? Because what looks like a step back, it could actually be a step before a much bigger move.